Ghana, your beloved country is free forever.
Enija eba wa man Ghana. Abro Ghana nyafa ahudie. Join me on Facebook. DJ African Papa Bell Sadaroma. Ya kwatwe videos no. James Town Jeko. What you to Facebook? Join me on Facebook. But you remember say adwene samba ko mienu bi ho. Osho baby a Ghana e sha sie free. Any baby a ende Ghana eduro yi a. What has been our contribution, or what will be our contribution? At the end of the year, give it to me, dear. At the amount of man Ghana. The movie no man, you Kenya, a two car crime on it. Get him sunny and Yamati Abruchere. Any about house to swim him sunny and Yamati. A sad for the crime and Chroma Khan. Say Ghana, our beloved country, is free forever. Ghana, yes, will be an Anuka Sasamuna and a Tumiana Broni, ever wa Ghana so. Satumino, Ebubui. Yes, I said, but and you made me be sad. I saw a no crack. So, my Ghana, yes, Menu Miano, Yadia. Are we free forever? Are we free? Maybe sir. Osha Obadia Chedia wa de dum Ghana. Gold, diamonds, bauxite, timber, iron. Kwa manonia amambi honma emu ba kokura wo munni 355 maybe a phone line no aso Ghana yade ho are we free forever medu adwen kire join him on Facebook na sabre numpo Sene na Ghana tie akwese bu anifita wa Ghana na fe na no mabu atram konya wa mabu jatata ebra od sadi muto kwa me kroma wa chichire akoso mbodam wa ye temamoto we na Ghana population 10 million po Ghana 10 million batana yamie shano da wa manu ni ma penyi nara na wa manodo the kind story be I hope Papa Bills a brand Yankopon war Boviase na wa Bobinom Nord Magu Iceland na wa pete ice war ho na wa Bobinum Magu Japan na fe what de abuo ne mepone ade snow you know the pete so no wa jamo na wa Bobin so agu England na oguso a won bono ano na fei edru baby na wa jasa asibi ato na what the gold what the timber what the diamond na what the iron shasa asinim na fei en kan bi say ngopon say ngopon ehefo na do megu sasa asisu ya etu di sa ne man nyina wo di ahye sasa asimu Yantiasie anya sabe dachi chiriba ehifo na de wo mo basa asasi so out to the gold diamond bauxite oil timber na someone Yankopon kan no according to the story I'm telling and Emma Reho was it oh mama hamo ho me di before na eba ha na mama hamo ho esa se niam no me di asase mu no I am one brophone numbers, my bedding, Babefa. I am one brophone and Babefa. And you may perceive a junior semi who ye. In Shira or Badia Siragana. In Shira, Nakupon dear Siragana, mine. After so many years of independence, can we say that indeed Ghana is free forever? What would you me say? I saw over to me, I can say, you, I am free forever. Maybe so. Over to me, I can. Sir, I am free forever. We are gonna need Madame Hope Racope. Genuine. Phones to the outdoors home. And so, my main for Alcatel Android phones. Alcatel, they are free to Ope Android, Papa, near a free Alcatel no be. Now, and they want me to new versions, and I want me to Abajaso. Eti ura mobile phone shop biano aya hwehwe Alcatel 3T10 Alcatel 3T10 ana Alcatel 1A which means we say Alcatel 1T7 ana Alcatel 3L Alcatel 1B no so come up and also Alcatel A1 and Alcatel U3. When you know how Android phones are, a free Alcatel. Alcatel sounds also our tablet. Our features are fantastic. The latest Android and is very fast. It sounds also our FM radio camera for brighter pictures, and I think also it sounds for bigger memory and long-lasting battery. It's fun using Alcatel. Alcatel, enjoy. Say Obedimwa a food lovers right. Say Obedimwa a food lovers right. Say a jollof. Say a mutu. Say a plain rice. A fried rice. Say a mondia a food lovers right. You mako. I'm not sure no so edepa. And say what drink mondia. A food lovers special rice. And I make count for Eddie amount. So be sure hey come on. Ghana ya sase batana ya mieshra no da wamanu niema penyi nala na wamanodo ya sase batana empe oku eji ahogu eni ne dikwe biase asumbiye inti aseme na ose yasum Ghana yiye anya sape da chichirima beba bebo yenfo so when you say Honam and ye and Toma and now with the way and Toma, you are ready to cry. And say, Open with the air and need that one. You su cocoa expert. It's the definition of skin care. Open kwa besrama honamono esane kama. Wow, to me she will be power and honamonia. Sebe mampa machukrano and that's a yakakrano. Namnenia you rich. Sakoko expert. It's rich in vitamin E. Ebua ema honam no ani nya hodene. Honam no ani toso. Eti Ubora Cosmetic Shop biama aya bisa Cocoa Expert. Na etufo Eshishe Cocoa Expert achikwan. Esan se sia no na wo. Ena esiesie mane mema honam no ani empo. Cocoa Expert restores your natural skin. Stigmatization. Yeah, dear. Stigmatization. I can't say your friend or any work come. Now HIV. Yadi bakwe binomo. Ashada yase. Se will be what Asa. They were free nipem. There be Yanisa. The Santi Webcast. Now many. And a dear sin and you so dear friend a stigma. Be dear free home. It is Shannon so. Ghana Age Commission Act 2016 Act 938 you know. A share say I am from so it's an offense. So but you be a sebi when you is ya DAB. Intention so. Na yambwa webcast. Na when you say stigmatization in free home. Obia ACRAB ayani biano onwa kwenya so benya nyarehwe quality health care enti yema kwan emaye mayensi obi akwan. We shouldn't stigmatize. From Upcast, I was 0302 241 452. And you may someone maybe sano say I saw menu mienu say Ghana for are we free forever? Are we free forever? As someone assigned for Dr. Kwame Nkrumah Kai, Abra Ghana Nyafa Hundie, said Ghana, our beloved country, is free forever. Are we free? You, one can say, are you free? Asembisano, I don't know.
I go. When you come, Madame Kakra, and when you come and win Siam Kakra, Menkasapi. Damabara Makade. Bakans Babaka and Yamakan Fancy. At long last, the battle has ended. And thus, Ghana, your beloved country, is free forever.
Phone lines 0302216561 0302216562. Hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
When you? You're from saying?
From Imano.
Yima? Hello?
Hello.
Emmanuel?
Hello.
Are you free forever, Ima?
Yes, please.
You are free?
Yes, but on some conditions.
On some conditions?
Yes.
Me too, Emmanuel.
Ghana is free about 50%. But the rest of the 50%, I don't think we are free.
I didn't know for say 50% no akano. Ghana yenye free. Yima.
Because we have poor roads in some communities. And Ghana is also a developing country, not a developed country. And we are still struggling to get us to improve Ghana. So on this condition, I can say Ghana is about 50% not free.
Imano, thank you very much for calling. Next caller. Hello, good evening. Sorry. Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
About Wayne.
James.
James.
Yeah.
James, you free?
Very simple.
James, are you free forever?
Oh no, I'm not free. My mount, I'm good ready.
Me too.
Me one chin a woman. The factories I went here, I'm in who ya. More than 6 factories and I went. And Kaya Manka have a yajma. Never mango factory or your tomato, your mango factory, in that tomato factory, your mechanization, your animal husband, your state farms. Even the tobacco company, no, or when she. As you know, so how to go, who is that company doing that? That's all when she went a yajma. And Kaya Manka have a yajma. The Kaya 1984, I'm in school. We call it company. Me person ko technical school, me nyaka ko technical school. Nti imagine say me technical school ba 88 no, na company san go ha, na ke ngu ya. And me na for mo wanchi de, mo nkra ha be more than 100 no ko me nyada su gu wanchi ho ya adwuma. Ni nyina gu. Ko ya adwuma. Nti Ghana still a say yakoma achia ya na ebre.
Okay. All right.
Thank you.
Next caller. Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
About Wayne.
Pacho King.
King Kasafrin.
Kasafi Kokomemre.
King.
Yeah.
Are you free forever?
Yes.
Chemo.
I'm free forever. I'm free forever. Ghana is free forever. It led with us to change our education. Yeah, then you're free forever. No? And you're free forever. CJ, Pacho CJ.
CJ.
Pacho, pick me number. Naya Minewa Kasa. I was the same program. It's baby in Tinamenta.
Mate, my pick number. No, why? Thank you very much. Hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Hello, Wayne.
You're from Uncle Fee Lawrence, me from Winneba.
You're from saying?
Uncle Fee Lawrence.
Uncle Fee?
Yes, Master.
From Winneba?
Are you
okay. Are you free forever, Uncle Fee?
I'm free in terms of mortality. In terms today, what Ayakayaka don't Mamma kind of fancy. Often Ayakayaka do not about for what the end of the year free. None of us let's say registration away a mess, but what bill. Oh, you would have one for Marco. It's just a kind of why I don't know you about one prono. It's all I have going on about for what training when you may be.
Until what did you chat? In your answer, Stella, Brophone, what the end of
South Africa meant by an Iron football shop politician meant by way, but we never have I pass it shop politicians who call when you've been away you offer the milk when your man was bedroom. I pass it, it can't say, yeah, now I was month of who I bedroom. I pass it, it's doing that, and you're free.
Thank you very much for calling. Hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening, CJ. Now, from today.
Adam Wayne.
Actually, I'm going to
Archie.
Yes, I was.
Are you free forever?
Yeah, you're free.
Chimwe.
I dare make a semi finish. Me too, me come, me too, me namiha. Bay and I gave a 11 kwame kwada, Nia program there. Obin chime and come and kumiana, so being fadi being bommy. Now, me to me kakasa. She said me for reduce me kakasi be a makumape, Obin to me a machine. Yamenadom, yes, in Yami or Mam Kakaya said, Miss Akanyini Nade. mituminya na ere asase sin mituminya bibia forever nti ya mimi ya ni we say you free forever.
Okay. Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
About money.
About the wisdom.
Wisdom.
Why?
What is free?
About the area.
Wisdom, are you free?
I am not. Ghana is not free.
Chemwe, Wisdom.
If that's this time, that's it depends over 60 years. That's a stone now. Yentini process produce yama yanku. Those days I'm buying more power. And more here Ghana, a more cent yedi. And this is still now I see a deep free independence. That's a never yentini producing yama and answer me raise to that or near Jumaya or Ghana. And I have free to place that say. So Ghana.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right. Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
About money.
Patakata wine. It's a selfie brema.
Kata wine.
Yes.
Are you free?
Me you're free. No, bibi woman can say the chairman. You're free.
Chawani. Kata wine, Chawani.
A quite a fast lady in the middle. Yeah, you free. Say a school of one back or so the young back or you free. Then yeah, you know, because yeah, send you can you about contract, you know. Because we Parliament to Naka with baby on my penalty to be house. So yes, I'm up for contract. But you 2 years and 4 years one sign. When I say for Benjo may yammy, a son like a yes, I can yadi. I said you judge my contract, you know. Also, yes, and Tuga will be magic. I remember contract 4 years, then I yanshadi. Imagine.
Until one dream, remember in the contract on.
The contract. Yes, I'm out. Yes, Tuga.
Okay, to one dream, and come on, idea, and answer one yard.
Oh, imagine, you know. I didn't only play.
One beginning in a fantastic. Well, 2 more calls. Hello, good evening.
Good evening, CJ.
When you?
My pastor Innocent from KD.
You're saying?
Innocent.
Innocent.
Never trying.
Are you free?
Never to me free cry.
And then I cost with me, Jay.
My pastor said, "My house Africa. Ye nyuma ye tax ye to me fa be emu 80% ko abofo no ho na emu 20% aka Africa. Na me hunu say ye nyande ye ho ye. Ana se oman mu ha krampo no. Na se a political party bi abaso. Na se wa hye bibi ase. Na se foforo aba na omo nto aso. Na se eno no kra tire me se me nye free. Na ka foforo no ba na oto aso nka omani sika na ka betime asan dia ya de foforo. Nti me hu ni se me nye free se me free e mu 30% bi pe.
70 ni dia ayere tare.
Aye tare ka.
Okay, before the last caller. Hello, good evening.
Bye, Papa G.
When you?
Ike, you can every man.
Ike.
CJ.
Are you free?
Me wanna move you free by aka nema kakra.
Na aka.
Wo de Ghana no se politician de almost yi sika. E di sika. E kwan se omo hwe so nye. Traffic light na obeka ho a bobo agi se soja gu nipa no to. Ansa na nipa na kwa ya de se na se de se wo ye. Abafo so omo ntan omo nyeta. Oh, and sometimes the people that before omo tu kwa kwa buru omo hu na na. Oh, nkuma be di se moto we we ya through my data we safety. Ade tutu na omo sade amu ba ye you know almost kwa safety ni omo di gumu na omo sade aye na ta. Kana nkuma aye no. Ye wo yare pa benda da. Ye ya tse su ni e ban a si ye betra ga na ama e man da ti me nyamba boy tri.
Well, ti one dream no kwa me wa ya de.
This money ono from ni wa ya de. Nyama oja he nyina ma wo ye oja nyina. Ya na ba ya tun bi ya ja bi. Moto we kakra e wo ye na mo so kwa. Se de ye. Ani am poka light bo e ni so. Come on face like a kebet ma face kwa intini nye. Ni se ticket die about one ye chesika. Nyafu.
Okay. Well, it's in a way, you know, my name is Maybe I signed for Dr. Kwame Nkrumah. Why you the Kodrui? What do you know? Why you dear? Say yeto yenana sa sinia yedu baabi a yeto edumi ne wososo say ye bia toa so enti eduru me no mi enu so say be ye bia toa so say abanya abako obia di si na nu so wo ye bia toa so a enti ko ma Ghana o hwan kan ne ewo enso wo bia cha foundation no foforo ba na wa ja foundation no ho no so akotwa foundation no so jan ho na foforo ba no so abetwa foundation foforo ene Kwame Nkrumah Memorial Day Abrafo Rap Sofo Kwame Nkrumah
You could never be not say you're from when you're the bonnet. Ghana memo you be and you pep and training and training treasure Ghana man and pesa money. Kofi babone me boko ko jani bonnet. Chama santo ko nature Ghana man say munti mini obra for me wo fa hudi. Oma modi mo mujumedi mun kulmedi. No say ngara assassin e ya body de mayen. Mujana nanan me hwegunya de to ho mayen. Dum yen boyen jeyen adu. Bene wo so say yen so be ye biato aso mo aso kata so o mayi mudi e maso ene. E bi said why your mama Ghana wo lawyer for, doctor for, mommy miss a nursing for, ready for, driver for, mommy miss a fitter for, equa for, tailor for, mommy miss a barber for, soldier for, teacher for, mommy miss a suku for, rap for, Ghana rap soft for, me say me straight on man for, when you know back, we say yet the fact, but you will say we back one, you can boom what in book, crab as Santa Cotoco, map the back is the motto, then fan for to lotto, when you move franny, yes, and when you have was any home basket, wouldn't need in Amon Coto, Bible just said the way and the winning, Unkana Swari was our sister, in Timonia bread. Ghana yemi no dia se kapo mani bi Kedia bon kwani ensan osoni asase ya ensan na no musama for ensan yi kwani to ma ye Kedia bon kwani ensan osoni asase ya ensan na no musama for ensan yi kwani ko ma pa ye that chain of for treatment with the hammer Ghana the fret outside for doctor Kwame Nkrumah Yebo wudin, wudye wuyentin, wudu winyasa neje Ghana to hobe your hin, ewim yedin, wafoko mabobri me fisi wurese wakukudu kodosu tise yin. Dr. Kwame Nkrumah wudu winyasa tise nshoma, Frika memu nyina yeji utu muse wudi muhoma, bapoma, wenye ate saberima, wenye friti sabronima, patimno adabroma wama Ghana nyafa hudi, yasya mansenyi na musmunya asuna munti, kwekete, ibini mabu homeso, kwekete, adeshe mabu homeso, kwekete, asantini mabu homeso, kwekete, santini mabu homeso. Kwekete yigweni mamu homeso kwekete kwa uli mamu homeso Hausa kwapem achim kono dakumba cry Ghana fojina afemi begusa osaje for Dr. Kwame Nkrumah brabe jensa nana no penny for mo demokrato hoje Ghana meyi ma yen so ye konsa afremo ni Ghana bushia biara nsa ma force mo me jensa kunyina e chechi drapa ye stress mo mo donsa ipa boni e kan Nkrumah Ghana ni begu ase de mo mo ni triso o ma Ghana kwaso o ma penny kwaso obra for me kwaso Mr. Kedia bon Kwame ensan osoni asase ya ensan nana no musama for ensan yi Kwame Nkrumah pa ye Kedia bon Kwame ensan osoni asase ya ensan nana no musama for ensan yi Kwame Nkrumah pa ye Kedia bon Kwame ensan osoni asase ya ensan nana no musama for ensan yi Kwame Nkrumah pa ye Kedia bon Kwame ensan osoni asase ya ensan nana no musama for ensan yi Kwame Nkrumah pa ye The last
Jim FM Jim FM 106.3.
Only God can stop us now. 106.3 FM.
Obinya wayo, obile de sosino wudi po. Obinya wayo, obile de sosino wudi po. Obinya wayo, obile de sosino wudi. Obinya wayo, obile de sosino wudi po. I think I'm the boss who's boss, you show fear while again, Rampo, be the fear or would you chill? No rushing, as a minute to them, at 2 minutes, they will go chill. Now we're in for what they listen. Morning and no so anchor then. Integrate the jar with the poor. Roman father so I am then. I will buy some girl. One woman in so anchor then. What the bunny my head in the bed. More the prison so I am then. Make a dash of many palia, and you will me. Are you? Baby, baby, the duty to now that when I'm here, so feel so be now. I say, be the days to see with the people. It's a word that's done. Oh, be don't need any inside. Oh, be so on to Moado, so they be all than an army safe. It's a 1 power, you, Mother much so I then.
Yeah, Juju. Say you do me, Juju. Cause I'm feeling the Juju. Take it. I wanna dash it to you. Take it. You can have it to you. Take it. You know I got this in you. Take it. I love you, I love you. I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you. There's nothing above you. There's nothing above you, above you, above you. I like your mini skirt, okay, you carry fancy,